Wait, we've been searching for a pack to guard for days. Who are you?
My name's Fury.
And I'm... Should I tell him my name?
Go on, he should know.
My name's Blaze.
This is who we are. We're hellhounds. Or we are one hellhound.
Why are you here?
We want to guard your pack, do you call it? Territory? Something like that.
That's a lie.
So maybe have the job of guarding
And
execution or exiling.
let me just discuss with my fellow candidates.
Okay, we'll be waiting here,
Okay.
won't we?
Yeah.
Yes, Icicle, what do you need?
Well, this hellhound. Do you know what a hellhound is?
Never heard of them. I know what they are.
Well, they're a beast, a wolf, with either elemental powers, and they have, well,
2 heads.
yeah, that's right. How did you know that?
Me. Or Icicle.
You.
Oh,
Did you go to school and learn that or something?
no, my cousin's mate was a hellhound.
Okay. So, the hellhound wants to be our security guard.
What? So they look after our pack when they could set any of us on fire?
Well, I was in a pack of hellhounds before.
Oh, sorry if I offended you.
It's okay. I'm a mutant like them.
A mutant?
It means that you have strange things on you, or strange things about you.
Is that why you have the icicles?
Yeah.
No offense.
Because not much wolves have icicles growing at their back.
Yeah, never seen one. Except from you, of course. So, will we let him be the guard of the pack?
We just need to discuss a discussion. Like maybe a trial or something.
See, I think it'd be a good idea because then if if they spot any other wolves or anything like that who's crossing into our territory, couldn't he just set them on fire?
Yeah.
And he'd be
Or
very intimidating.
execute them.
Yes. But what would happen if one of us were traitors? Wouldn't he do something worse to us?
Well, I don't think any of us are going to be traitors.
Well, yeah, but I'm not a traitor, but I'm just saying, just in case.
I know you're not a traitor. I've known you for about a few years now.
Yeah, I don't know. Sorry for asking.
It's okay.
I'm just weird.
So, what kind of questions would we ask him?
Well, maybe we could ask him, we can ask him what he would do in troublesome situations, or what he would do when we're all in danger and when we're all dying, I guess. I don't know.
Great questions, Arctic. Applaud to you. Well, how to you?
My name's not Arctic. That's my sister's name.
What's your name now?
Okay. That's
I
odd.
forgot the name, Chloe.
Oh my god, I can't even remember the name of it. I didn't just cut that part out.
Like, keep as Article. Yeah. No, Arctic.
No, my name's not Arctic.
What name's it?
I can't even remember. Oh god, should have just cut that out.
Yeah, cut that out.
Okay. I'll cut this clip out, people.
Good question.
Where are they? Do you think they're already causing mayhem? Sorry to say, but I do just think it's very odd.
Well, not all hellhounds are bad. As child, hellhounds actually they were bullied sometimes because they had 2 heads when they were children, and lots of people laughed at them.
Oh, I think it would actually be really cool to have 2 heads.
Yeah, I know.
So, should we let them be the guard then?
We need to ask them the questions first.
We could put them on trial, like you said.
Yeah. So, we're just gonna put you on some questions.
What kind of questions?
So, we need to know, what would you do if our pack was in trouble?
Well, what I just think of,
What if a traitor was in our pack? And
Well-
imagine if they killed lots of our wolves. What would
it
you do?
depends how bad it is. So if they killed all the wolves, then obviously we'd have to ask you for what we should do. If we have an idea, then probably what I'd say is maybe execute them or set them on fire.
That's true. Okay, next question. What would you do if the Alpha, wasn't here and then lots of mayhem happened?
If you weren't here, then I guess we'd go to second command.
And do you know who second command is?
No, we don't. Who's second command?
Second command is... So, second in command is Feather, the growling wolf.
Growling wolf. So they always are growling like my
Well,
brother.
their voice is really deep, like...
A growl.
Let me try to do an example. Like this.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
So,
Like my mother's voice. Yeah, sorry. Just memories.
what if our second command wasn't here?
Do you have a third in command? A deputy? I
Our
don't
third
know.
in command would be you,
Oh, okay. Well, then I guess
if you were our security guard.
we'd get the opinion of the pack to see what they think we should do.
Okay, that's a good answer. I'd never thought about it.
Oh, really?
No, I'm dumb. Okay, last question.
Yes.
If all of the pack just disappeared randomly,
What? Okay.
imagine that, and then you were left all alone with pack, what would you do to find them?
Well, we'd try and find their scent and try and track them down.
Okay, good answer.
Thank you.
Okay, that's the end of the questions. Let me just ask my commanders
So
what to do.
Okay. When do you think Icicle's gonna be back with the news?
Hey
Oh,
guys.
hey Icicle. So, how did it go?
So, what's happening is, I think he should be our security guard. He gave all the right answers, and I think he's
Why
capable of
was
predicting.
this both of them or just one?
No, both of them.
Okay.
Well, he, she, because they're both. There's one boy and one girl.
Oh, okay. Okay, so should we tell the pack, I guess?
Okay, we got a random now.
Random.
Round.
Oh, sorry.
But one more thing.
I think I'm going deaf.
These a family of pigs have came here. And they can be, well, they're in my old pack actually, and they can be our medical supplies.
Your old pack seems to have a lot of different animals.
Well, it was a pack that just let any animal join because
So the pigs will be like the medicine pigs?
well, they know all these herb recipes to help.
So herbs and things.
Yeah, basically like sorcerers, but not sorcerers.
That sounds cool. I think we should have them as our medicine pigs.
The pig gave birth to 2 pigs, by the way.
Well, the helpers, whatever. I don't know.
Because the pigs are the same age as Snowflake, you know.
Snowflake? Oh, yeah, I know her.
So they might
Youngest of them all.
They're just a tiny bit older than Snowflake.
You said the same age, didn't you?
Same age, was like a couple days older.
Okay. Yeah, I get what you mean now. So, should we just round up the pack then, like you said?
Okay, and the pigs could be probably Snowflake's bodyguards because Snowflake isn't very
let's
smart.
just say, I think she's autistic.
But she's cool.
Yeah.
She's cuter than I ever was.
No, were you like a miniature snowflake with blue icicles on your back? Is that what you look like?
And my looks pretty ugly, so.
Oh, okay. Let's go round up the pack.
Okay. have an announcement to make. So, we are having some new additions to the pack. Meet Fury and Blaze.
I'm Fury.
My name is Ping. And my name is Pong.
And my name is Ping Pong.
And this is our pet lettuce.
Piggies, come over here and play with me. Do you like my basket? My name's Snowflake. What's yours? Is your name Ping and your name's Pong?
Yes.
Okay, so
I
Ping and
can't
Pong.
really
Ping-
speak very well.
Why?
I should say my I and my A like
If-
this.
Dorder the blah blah what?
Oh,
Okay, so let's just play.
I can translate for you.
Okay. Does he speak another language?
Probably, I don't know.
Oh, okay. How do you? Okay. So what should we play? Should we play over here? This, this is out of our territory, and this is into Goatland. I don't like Goatland. A Goatland is kind of stupid because it's full of goats. So
I don't like goats, but they're not delicious.
I like to.
Very. Help!
Don't worry, I'm gonna get you out.
I'm leg sprained.
Come on, get out.
Ow.
Come on, just get on my back, quick. Now we've got to get out of here. Snowflake. Ah!
Hey, you!
What?
Behind you.
Ah! Okay, don't worry.
Hey,
What do you want?
I'll kill them with these berries if you don't give them.
Those three. You're gonna kill those three?
With the berry, the poisonous dog berries.
Well, luckily, we're immune.
But they aren't.
Okay. Well, lucky for you. Well, we have backup! Backup! It's my time. I bet you only have a few wolves again.